My name is Saidi Savi. Subject name is Information System and Digital Transformations. Topic name is Marketing Information System of Salesforce. Marketing Information System is likely a toolkit for business. It helps gather, study, store, and share important information for smart marketing decisions. MIS keeps company informed about the market, customer need, and what competitors are doing. It serves as a comparative data hub, enabling the collection, organization, and utilization of information crucial for sound decision making. With components like internal records, marketing, intelligence, and data warehouse, MIS empower business to understand market dynamics, customer behaviors, and competitor strategies. In this article, we will explore the significance of MIS for competitive advantages, optimizing resources, and supporting information decision making from data type of the MIS process and real world example. It provides a holistic understanding of how MIS shapes intelligent marketing strategies. A marketing information system is a helpful tool for businesses. It's a way to collect, organize, and use marketing information, thinking of it as a system and gather data about sales, customers, and the market. This tool is important because it helps business market smart decision. It allows them to understand what's happening in the market, what customers are doing, and what competitors are up to. By having this information, business can plan better their resources widely and stay ahead of competitions. And analytical capabilities. What is Salesforce? Let's have a look at what is Salesforce in this introduction to Salesforce Guide. Salesforce is a one-of-a-kind cloud-oriented CRM platform that is crafted to aid business in the managing their marketing, service, sales, and other operations. Salesforce has completely renovated CRM by its plenty of offering. It provided services entirely through the internet. Salesforce boasted its incredible flexibility that allowed it to be tailored as per the specific business needs. So, Salesforce offers support to Gangnik ecosystem comparing third-party applications and interaction via its app exchange. What is Salesforce? Salesforce is a leading CRM customer relationship management software which is served from cloud. Salesforce started as a cloud-based solution for CRM. CRM stands for a customer relationship management. It involves the managing all aspects of relationship between an organization and its customers. Salesforce is a leading CRM software which is served from cloud. CRM stands cloud-based solution and it involves managing all aspects of the relationship between organization and its customers. Salesforce CRM, which is include the cloud-based customization, ecosystem, artificial intelligence, and dynamic CRM, development of flexibility, interaction with Microsoft processes, customization, user interaction, and cost. How does Salesforce work? Salesforce works as a cloud-based CRM platform and successfully streamline business process to improve customer interactions. It can user access the Salesforce through a web browser. This enables real-time data entry, analyzing an interval from any locations. It provides many tools for sales, marketing, customer services, and more. Salesforce Architect offers support for exclusive customization via its point and click interface as well as Apex programming language. App Exchange. Marketplace provide many third-party apps to extend functionally. Advantages feature for such a Salesforce increased utilize AI to offer insights and predictivity analysis. The platform security measures help in the data compliance and integrity. All this makes Salesforce a completely solution for driving business through growth and managing customers. Why choose Salesforce? No doubt Salesforce is the most popular CRM and it's began used for many reasons. Here are some of the reasons why business chooses Salesforce. Why business chose Salesforce CRM over the CRM for the cloud-based accessibility, user-friendly interaction, customizations, interaction capabilities, advanced analytic and AI, extension ecosystem, scalability, robust security, and continuous innovations. Conclusion: Salesforce has completely changed the CRM world with its impossible innovation solution. It has enabled business to enhance customer relationship, drive growth, and streamline operations. But it is a diverse cloud service or its robust architecture. Salesforce provides unparalleled functionality and flexibility. The platform has many extensive features. These include opportunity management, advanced analytics, and account management. All these cater to different business needs. It has promising career opportunities and boosts competitive salaries, attracting Salesforce professionals. Salesforce role as a cloud computing and CRM leader will strengthen in the future, paving the path of advancement.